Before this video starts, guys, I want to give a huge shout out to Goon Squad. Their YouTube channel will be linked down below, and if you want inside scoops before their YouTube channel, follow them on Instagram. They're linked right here. I'll put it down below. So now let's start on the video. What's up, guys? Today I have a big surprise for the channel. So we have 3-hour drive, so let's get heading to the road. Alright, guys, so we arrived to land, and this is my surprise because, guys, this might be our last video on this land because it's almost finished pretty much besides the trailer. And I'm just taking the tour around because it's been about 2 months since I've been here. Guys, if you can see that right there, I'm not sure you see these trailers. It looks like someone's been in it since then, but there's nothing left because the ground's caved in. But so we pretty much don't got too much to go now. I know last time my dad came here, he tried to move this trailer post right here, and he broke his brake line down here, so, and there's nothing nearby, so luckily we had someone to come get the brake line and fix it. But when you try to move this post, it's bolted into the ground. But it does look like someone's been into this trailer, unless the curtains fell down, I don't know, but it looks like it. Alright, guys, so our next project is to cut down all these small trees that are popping back up from when we cut them. So let's get started. Guys, pretty much after this video, our only thing that we have to do on this land pretty much is clean it up a little bit more, tear down the trailers, and place a brand new bulkhead around this land. As you see, the reason why it's destroyed is because from a 2011 hurricane, and really this land was abandoned for like 6 years. So hopefully we can get it fixed. And guys, I'm gonna take you guys to the pier now. So guys, that's going to be a wrap for day one, so catch you in the morning.
take you over to the trailer frame, what my dad did last time. But it messed up the Jeep, so we're not gonna worry about it anymore. The frame was all over here, and now it's to the side, which is a good thing. That part is the frame was so rusted that it crumbled up. As you can see, it's just wrinkled up and bent heavy. So yeah, you can see where it bent right there. But we did get moved it good, and then the frame right there snapped. So we moved it a bit, but that's when the brake line broke, so can't do nothing about that. Alright guys, so let's get starting on this since we have power down here now, so let's start cutting it. Alright guys, so that's going to be the wrap of that project. Hopefully we can get some stuff done after lunch because it is like 95 degrees out here. So we're going to eat lunch real fast and then catch you guys. Alright guys, so today is 4th of July and we're gonna set off some fireworks in a couple minutes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What's wrong with this dog? Oh dang. This dog. Oh dang. You're out there. Hey, chill. Messing it up. That's the second one he's done. Do not grab it. He's about. Okay. Alright guys, so we're gonna wrap up things for today and catch you guys in the morning. Next day here guys, but anyways, that's gonna be a wrap for the video today. And guys, if you want inside scoops before YouTube, be sure to follow us on Instagram at Jacob Rebuilds. And guys, don't forget to check out some merch.